Hey guys, I'm in here. Going to be showing you the Total One NXG RBZ 20K and RS2. So here are the NXGs. Got the non-grip ones over here. Intermediates. Let's see. Try to find a good. Yeah, so here's the Total One NXG. P92 77 flex. Yeah, the grip tack one. Yeah, looks pretty sick. Here's the non-grip. The non-grip one. Yeah. Most of you guys know this, the RBZ. Pretty sick. This is the.
What are you gonna do?
Mine's called 85 flex. It's like a toe curve, which I kind of like. So yeah, might be getting that or the 20K, which I'll show you right now. Yeah, here's the 20Ks. I like the Bergeron curve. See, it's got like the grip tack on the top and non-grip on the bottom, which is kind of cool. There's the Bergeron. Same thing as the Landeskog. There's like a weave in the blade. So yeah, those look sick. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Oh yeah, also the RS2s. So we got the RS2s right here. Got the grip and the non-grip.
Yeah. Put it on for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So they're pretty sick. This is the non-grip one. Heat wave. Blades. Supposed to be better. So that's pretty much it. Share, comment, rate, and subscribe.